Good morning to all of you. We are reading the chapter solution. In previous video we have discussed about vapor pressure of liquid solution. Today we will discuss about Raoult's law. The French chemist Martin Raoult 1886 gave a quantitative relationship between the partial pressure and mole fraction of two components. This relationship is known as Raoult's law. This law states that at a given temperature, for a solution of volatile liquid, the partial pressure of each component in solution is equal to the product of the vapor pressure of the pure component and the mole fraction. Now let us consider a binary solution. Two volatile liquid and denote the component A and B respectively, and whose mole fraction XA and XB and PA and PB are the vapor pressure of the component in the solution. Now we see, according to the Raoult's law, PA equal to P naught A into XA. PA vapor pressure of the one component in the solution and P naught A vapor pressure of the pure component, and XA is the mole fraction of one component. Similarly, PB, P naught B and XB. Now, according to the Dalton law of partial pressure, the total pressure equal to PA plus PB. Now putting the value of PA and PB in equation 3, we get P equal to P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. We know XA plus XB equal to 1. XA equal to 1 minus XB, because we know that the sum of mole fraction of one component to the second component equal to 1. Now putting the value of XA in equation 4, then we get P equal to P naught A 1 minus XB plus P naught B into XB. P equal to P naught A minus P naught A into XB plus P naught B into XB. P equal to P naught A minus P naught A into XB plus P naught B XB. We arrange. Now we get final equation P equal to P naught A plus PB, P naught B minus P naught A, small bracket close, into XB. We take XB common. Now we plot the graph between mole fraction and vapor pressure. Here XA equal to X1, then XB equal to 0, and XA equal to 0, then XB equal to 1. This line indicates partial pressure of B, and this line indicates partial pressure of A. Partial pressure means it indicates about the vapor pressure of the solution of one component. This line indicates total pressure of the solution. That means P equal to P naught A plus P naught B. We conclude that the vapor pressure of solution of different composition lies between the vapor pressure of the pure component, and they lie on a straight line joining P naught A and P naught B. Okay, thank you. In next video we will discuss about Raoult's law for liquid solution containing non-volatile solutes. Today we have discussed about Raoult's law for a volatile liquids, and volatile means those type of liquid which will change into gaseous state. Okay.